Hey, Earl. Here's today's real-world question. Hey, Earl, here's my problem. You walk into your unit after checkout and boom, your cleaner sends you a photo of a blood-stained topper and sheets. You've hosted hundreds of guests, but this right here? It makes you pause. You're asking yourself, do I eat the cost and move on? Do I charge the guest for new linens? Do I file a claim with Airbnb? Or do I just say, screw it, and hope it doesn't happen again?
Here's what we do at Real Relief. At Real Relief, we don't hesitate. We lead with policy, not panic. Here's our move, step by step. 1. Call it what it is, a biohazard. Blood on any surface equals sanitation protocol, not a basic cleanup. 2. Replace compromised items immediately. If it can't be 100% disinfected, it's out. That includes mattress toppers, sheets, pillow protectors, all of it. Charge a biohazard cleaning fee. This isn't personal, it's professional. Your cleaner deserves to be paid fairly for hazardous work. File it with Airbnb's Resolution Center. Timestamp photos, receipts or item replacement links, explanation of your policy, screenshots of house rules if applicable, and most importantly, document everything within 72 hours.
Earl's last word. Let me be real with you. If you hesitate, you're training guests to ignore boundaries. This isn't about being heartless. It's about being structured. You're running a business. So when a situation feels awkward, fall back on your systems. Let policy do the talking. Operate like a CEO, not a side hustler. Move with clarity. Protect your peace. Paul, what's your game plan for biohazard cleanups? A. Charge. Plus, replace B. Just clean it. C. Cost of business. D. Need a better system. Drop your letter. If you're still winging these situations without a strategy, book a call with me. Let's fix the gaps and lock in your power moves. Want Earl to break down your situation next? Drop your question below or schedule your discovery call.